Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Wellaray, a wellness brand that claims to focus on gut health, better digestion, and overall balance, especially for women. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this review is based on personal research and public user feedback. Let's start with the positives. According to the official website, Wellaray promotes products like Curb Crave and Happy Hormones with clean ingredients and science-backed claims. One returning customer said they really believe in Curb Crave and noted that when they had an issue, customer service quickly fixed it. Another user mentioned improved digestion, less bloating, and better sleep. So there are real people out there seeing benefits from these products. But it's not all glowing. Trustpilot gives Wellaray a 3.3 star rating with over 500 reviews, and some serious red flags are coming up. A number of users say the company enrolled them in recurring subscriptions without consent and didn't notify them. Whereas they claim no response after multiple emails, which raises concerns about transparency and customer support. Although others say support has been active and helpful. For the final verdict, Wellaray isn't a straight up scam. They do have satisfied repeat customers and legit products. However, their subscription practices need major improvement and their response time to disputes could be better. If you decide to try it, keep an eye out on your billing and make sure you're not opted to anything you didn't agree to. And that's it for today's honest review. If you've had experience with Wellaray, drop your thoughts in the comments, like and subscribe for more real reviews.